Guangzhou Hihaus Building Materials Company Limited, as one of the trusted and recommended brand of windows and doors, curtain walls, Hihaus has supplied custom-made products for projects around the world. We also passed the test of AAMA. Hihaus is the flagship brand of high-end aluminum doors and windows. Our factory established in 2010. 12 years of experience in providing China's branding products. Hihaus adhered to the brand concept of integrity, product quality, insists that we must keep that as a priority. Our Cooperate factory, located in Foshan, China, with production facilities of 123,000 square meters. We had honored as the leader of China doors and windows integration revolution. Our factory, using industry-leading production equipment from Italy, has a manufacturing team with 10 years of production experience which can solve kinds of technical difficulties in the production process and ensure the products of stable quality in every aspect of design, materials cutting, surface treatment, fabrication, transportation, installation, and after-sales service, providing reliable guarantee for each order. 213 technological processes and 58 quality inspection links makes the limit test of product performance in such as sound insulation, heat insulation, waterproof, airtightness, reaches the internationally standards. Business scope is aluminum windows and doors, curtain walls, garage door, sunrooms, wooden doors, handrails. Our mission is better service, more value. Create a better life. Starting from Hihaus now.